Hello everyone. Welcome to this English listening practice session. Today, I want to talk about the future. More specifically, I want to talk about my life after 5 years. The future is something we all think about. Sometimes we feel excited about it. Sometimes we feel unsure. But thinking about the future helps us grow. It helps us set goals, and it gives direction to our lives. If I imagine my life 5 years from now, I see a better version of myself, a more confident person, a more disciplined person, and a more focused person. In the next 5 years, my first goal is to improve myself. I want to become mentally stronger. I want to develop a positive mindset. I want to learn how to stay calm even in difficult situations. Another important goal for me is improving my English skills. I want to speak English fluently. I want to express my thoughts clearly. I want to communicate with confidence in any situation. To achieve this, I will practice every day. I will listen to English regularly. I will speak without fear of making mistakes, because I know that practice leads to improvement. In the next 5 years, I also want to build a successful career. I want to work in a field where I can grow and learn. I want to develop new skills. I want to gain knowledge and experience. Success will not come easily. I understand that. But I am ready to work hard. I am ready to stay consistent. Another important part of my future is personal growth. I want to become a better human being. I want to be kind to others. I want to build strong relationships with my family and friends. Because success is not only about money, it is also about happiness and connection. In the next 5 years, I also want to become more independent. I want to take responsibility for my life. I want to make my own decisions and learn from my experiences. Mistakes will happen, but I will not be afraid of them, because every mistake teaches something valuable. I also imagine myself being healthier. I want to take care of my body and mind. I want to exercise regularly and maintain a balanced lifestyle. Health is very important for a happy life. In the future, I also want to achieve financial stability. I want to earn enough to support myself and my family. I want to manage my money wisely, and I want to plan for a secure future. But more than anything, I want to feel satisfied with my life. I want to look back and say, I tried my best. I want to be proud of my journey. Of course, the future is not certain. Things may not always go as planned. There will be challenges. There will be unexpected situations. But I believe in one simple idea. If I stay consistent, if I keep learning, and if I never give up, then I will move forward. Step by step, day by day. 5 years may seem like a long time, but it passes quickly. That is why it is important to start working on our goals today, because the future we dream about is created by what we do today. Choose to take small steps every day. I choose to improve myself. I choose to believe in my potential. And I choose to work towards a better future. After 5 years, I may not be perfect, but I will definitely be better than I am today. And that is enough.